Live in Chicago. There's a lot of trains in Chicago. It's my favorite thing in Chicago. I love the trains. This one time I'm on the train. I walk into the train and walk in on a homeless man masturbating. Disgusting. Yeah, they hate it when you try to join them. They really fucking hate that shit. Again, I'm having a great time. I don't care. I want you guys to know one thing. I still get paid. It doesn't matter how well or how bad I do. Honestly, I am incentivized to do bad.